Here's our test subject. GMC Jimmy. Anyone that owns a GM vehicle knows that these little fuckers are. They're a pain in the ass. You gotta put your cables on them and, you know, they slip off, they rust up. Sooner or later, an 8mm wrench isn't gonna fit it. 5/16's not gonna fit it. They're a pain in the ass. We're gonna fix that for 50 cents. 2 3/8 bolts, 1 inch long, 2 3/8 nuts, 9/16 wrench, knife. Take your knife, slice the rubber off. I know it's hard to see, but slice this rubber. You can go the whole way down and take it all off, but you only have to really go as far as this line. Now that it's split, just remove it. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, now that it's cut, take the rubber off. Take this piece of crap, throw it away. Then you're going to take your 3/8 bolt, wind the thread in about, I don't know what, 1/4 of an inch. I can go a little more. You can adjust it. Put her in like that. Just like that. Back into the battery. So the threads bottom out. You only have to do this hand tight. Now, take your 9/16. Tighten the nut. You don't have to kill it. Just make sure it's tight. Now, when you need to jump another vehicle, you're right there. And if you want to take your battery off, loosen the 9/16 nut, or sorry, the 3/8 nut, and everything will spin right out. And you could do this for both sides, negative and positive, on most any older GM vehicle with these pieces of crap for battery terminals.